Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you on how to sell bread on Coinbase Wallet. So, first thing you're going to need to do is launch your Coinbase Wallet application or extension on your device and ensure you're connected to the blockchain where the bread NFT is located, like for example, Ethereum, Polygon, and etc. Once you're in, just tap on the NFT tab in Coinbase Wallet to view all your NFTs. So find this and select your bread NFT from your collection. So let's say for example, like these, I just got this from the Google. So Coinbase Wallet supports integration with popular marketplaces like OpenSea, Blur, or Rarible. So just pick a marketplace where bread NFTs are actively traded. Now, once you have chosen the marketplace that you want to sell your NFT, just visit the chosen marketplace website, like let's say for example OpenSea, we're going to be using that, and then just click on Connect Wallet and select Coinbase Wallet as your connection method. After connecting your wallet, navigate to the Bread NFT within the marketplace, click on Sell, and configure your sale details. So just set a fixed price, like let's say for example 0.5 ETH, or you can also create an auction. You can also choose how long the listing will be active. So just put it there, depends on you. And then once you're done with that, just confirm the transaction in Coinbase Wallet. So you just have to pay any gas fees if it's required to list the NFT for sale. And then just wait for the blockchain transaction to confirm. And that's basically it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!